So in this video we're going to find the matrix that represents an enlargement in 2D. Okay, so again you look at the unit vectors 1, 0 and 0, 1 under the given transformation. All these are going to be enlargements from the origin though, and that will give us a quick way of finding the matrix. So again, if we consider the unit square, so here's the unit square, so it's 0, 0, 1, 0, which is I, 1, 1, and 0, 1, which is j. And look what happens to I and j under this transformation. So it's a scale factor, enlargement scale factor to center 0, 0. So here is the image. So I moves to 2, 0. So I maps onto I dash, which is 2, 0. And j maps on to j dash, which is also 0, 1, so it maps on to 0, 2, making the matrix we're going to have 2, 0, 2, 0, and 0, 2 makes that represents an enlargement scale factor 2, center 0, 0. So what happens if we have a scale factor of a half? Well, we know that the shape gets smaller. Okay, so you can see the shape here. So what happens to I? I is going to go from 1, 0 to a half 0, and j is going to go from 0, 1 to 0, a half. So 1, 0 maps to I, which is going to be a half 0, and j 0 to 1 maps to j dash, which is going to be 0, a half. Put those together, we're going to have a half 0, 0, a half. Finally, let's consider what happens if we have a negative enlargement. So we're going to do scale factor minus 3. That will look like that. So I will move to this point here, which is going to be, so 1, 0 will map to minus 3, 0, and 0, 1 will map to 0, minus 3. So I, 1, 0 is mapped to I dash minus 3, 0. J, 0, 1 is mapped to 0, minus 3. The matrix will be minus 3, 0, 0, minus 3. In general, an enlargement, scale factor k, center 0, 0, center has to be 0, 0, will be represented by a matrix k, 0, 0, k. And you can look back and you can see all those matrices are of that format. So this has been a video to show you the matrix representation of an enlargement with a scale factor k and the center of the enlargement 0, 0. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.